Welcome to the quickest vehicle we've ever tested. Yes, the almighty Porsche 911 Turbo. It's a nameplate that has been regarded by many as the best all-round sports car for decades. You could even call it a supercar, given its mind-bending performance credentials. Now in its 7th generation, the 992 Series Turbo is the most powerful and fastest yet. Here we're testing the flagship S version, which is even more powerful again. Despite looking quite modest, in traditional 911 form, the new Turbo S is one of the most aerodynamically advanced vehicles currently on sale. In fact, Porsche claims there is no other sports car on the market that offers such aerodynamic flexibility as the new Turbo S. The front and rear spoilers extend and retract depending on the driving mode, and there are active cooling flaps in the front end that open and close depending on the demands. The level of detail within the bodywork and underneath the car is just incredible. There is no doubt this car is built for speed, whether the road is straight, bendy, wet, or even snowy. Of course, being a Porsche, the brakes are insane as well. After all, Ferdinand Porsche once said a car should never go better than it stops. And that's exactly the case according to our tests. The S comes standard with ceramic composite discs, with whopping 10 piston calipers on the front. This thing can pull up to a dead stop with utter control and confidence, no matter what speed you're going. Inside, it's a typical 911 cabin. Minimalist, driver-focused, and a big fat rev tacho sitting right in front of the driver. The 992 series is quite modern though, featuring a crisp 10.9-inch touchscreen media interface and two 7-inch screens surrounding the mechanical rev dial for the driver. Seating comfort is good in the front, with a perfect driving position and a good level of adjustability. Rear seat space, on the other hand, is very tight, but it is suitable for kids. There's also some handy storage space behind the rear seats, but it can be a stretch to access. With the engine mounted behind the rear axle, it means most of the cargo space is found under the bonnet. It's a decent volume for such a high caliber vehicle, especially if you categorize it as a supercar. As for the engine, well, it is one of the most evolved engines on the planet. The same twin-turbo flat-six formula has lived on for decades now. And why not? It certainly works. The power is unbelievable, but it's the torque that really pushes you hard into your seat. This is what it goes like.